What I'm going to show you guys now is how to add an app icon for iOS. This can be displayed on the App Store and as well as on the home screen of our iOS device. If I go to the home, as you can see, this app I'm running, there is no icon on it. This is the weather app. It doesn't have an icon, so we are going to try to make it have an icon over there. Icon can be designed with whatever you want to design with, but for mine I've already have an icon here, so I want to use this icon as the app icon for the mobile app. You can design the icon using Sketch, Figma, or anything you choose, but for mine I'm not gonna go through that process, and the size of this need to be 1024 by 1024 when you design. Since I already have this, I think we can get started. So what I'm going to be using for that is this app. Is called Iconizer. Iconizer, you can download it from GitHub. Let me just quickly try to find it for you. It's called Iconizer. Iconizer. I believe this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. So you install this, and this is what we're using, and this is the website for it. It will take you to the download, and when you download it, you will get an app that will open similar to this. So here is where you drag your icon. Okay, you drag your icon that you just designed. So I'm going to drag my icon over there. Let me just drag it now. I'm gonna take it and drag it. Okay, and I'll choose app icon here, and I can choose the platforms I want to do for. For mine is mainly iPhone. If I was to choose other ones, I'll check them, but I want to uncheck everything else except for iPhone. And what I'll do next is to then click that button, and I will choose the destination where I want it to be saved. So, and then I'll just give it a name. I'll say app icons, and I'll save it inside downloads and click save. So as soon as I save it, there is my app icons right there. It's saved inside my Iconizer assets and documents, and then app icons. App icons, this is it. So I get all the different sizes of icons. Let's go to Xcode. I want us to open this weather app using Xcode because it will be easier for us to change the icon using Xcode. So we're gonna open this project on Xcode instead of here. Let me just go to Xcode. There is Xcode, and I'm gonna open this project on Xcode. Open. It's called weather app. Is inside documents. Projects. Weather dash app. I go inside the iOS, and then I open project. I believe I open project. And there is the project files. Where I go next is to go inside the weather app. I look for images right there. And then I choose app icon. I click app icon, and these are the different sizes, which is already created here. These are all the different sizes that are required here. What I can do, I can check this and delete it from here, or I can select this and drag each icon one by one. But if I want to drag all of it, I just take this out and then go back and then drag this here, and there is our icons. So it auto imported the right sizes to the right places. And then what I can do is to then run this up, and I can save this and close it and maybe run from the terminal. Let me just run it and see whether the app will be changed. The icon would have changed. npm run iOS. Let's see. Okay, so to get rid of this error, I believe what we can do is to go back to our Xcode project. Let me open Xcode. And I already have the app open in Xcode. I'll click here, and I will go to images. No, I'll go to the app and go on targets, and I will choose our app, and then on app icon source I need to make sure I select app icons, and when I have this selected it should run properly. Let me run it now and see if it runs on our emulator, and we can see our icon. npm run iOS. It successfully built the app, and if I go back home you can see the app icon has changed for our app. Yeah, so that's how you update app icons on React Native.